Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? Today we're continuing on our resort tour series here at Bahia Principe Riviera Maya, and we've stopped off at Bahia Principe Luxury Cancun. And we're going to show you guys this pretty unique room here. It's a junior suite, superior level penthouse. And the reason why it's a penthouse is because it's got this extra level here that goes up to the rooftop for a rooftop terrace, which we're going to check out in just a second. So we also just want to say a thank you to Bahia Principe for helping us set up these room tours and hosting us during our stay. So thank you, Bahia Principe. As you can see, this is quite a different layout than some of the other hotel rooms here at Bahia Principe. But we're going to show you around and show you what's included and all the different services and amenities so you can get a good look at some of the rooms offered here. So we'll start at our front entrance here, as you would typically come in. There's the front door here, and then just to the right of that is a staircase, as I said before, that goes up to the penthouse level. And you can see the ceilings are really high here as well, giving it like a really kind of luxurious open feel to it. We'll continue on along the right here. This is going to be sort of our little wet bar area. So we've got a coffee maker, we've got some fixings for your coffee and some tea, coffee mugs, some glasses to pour yourself a cocktail, and then an ice bucket here too. Just below that, we've got a big mini bar here. And in the mini bar we have some Dos Equis beer, and we've got some Coca-Cola. At the bottom we've got some soda waters, soda water and still water, and then Fanta and Coca-Cola. And because this is a luxury category hotel, you'll get some potato chips. And then here at Cancun we have Calypso rum, vodka, and a whiskey. So little shots so you could pour yourself a cocktail in your room here. Just beside this coffee area here and bar, we have a sink here too. And then you will see a door here. This typically would go into the bathroom, but the hotel does have this locked off, so the only access is in the bedroom, which you'll see in just a second. So from this wet bar area, we'll take a good look at the living area here, which is really big. There's a large table here. I like this wood design on the table. It's pretty nice. The theme here at Cancun is it's more of a nature, relaxing hotel. So this is kind of like a good little decor element here in the room to kind of keep that vibe going. We've got a big sofa over here, and I'm pretty sure that the hotel housekeeping can convert that sofa over to a bed, so you can sleep someone here. Some beautiful artwork on the wall here, and then just over here we have switches for the lights, the thermostat, and the ceiling fan that's moving the air nicely around the room, keeping things cool. We've got a small table here in the middle of the room, and then just over here a little reading chair here. So I'll give you a little view here. This isn't a walkout balcony just here because we have the penthouse terrace, but it's very private, very secluded, especially when we get upstairs to the penthouse. So from the living area here, we're going to turn over this way and see the bedroom area. So in the bedroom we've got a king-size bed. One thing to mention as well that luxury Cancun guests get is a pillow menu, so you can contact butler service here and order different pillows or additional pillows to your liking. And then just over here we have a TV, and also I'll just point out too that on this little spot right here you can get some aromatherapy with essential oils added to your room. You just have to make that request through the butler service, and they will additionally put aromatherapy in your shower as well. So I thought that's kind of cool, and that's a special perk that luxury guests get here at Bahia Principe. We got another big window. It's almost floor to ceiling, but a big window here, and these do open up so you can get some fresh air in. And then just beside the bed we've got a nightside table with drawer storage. There is some switches on the wall here and 2 power outlets to charge your devices. Some nice lighting sconces and a mirror. And then the ceiling fan up here in the room as well, or in the bedroom as well. There is also a nightside table on this side with a phone to reach out to anyone you may need to contact. And then there's also plugs here for charging devices as well. You may need to reach out to room service. Room service is provided here, and you can get in-room dining, and I'll show you the menu here. So you can give this QR code a scan and navigate over to the in-room dining or the room service menu and take a look at what's offered here. So just beside the bed here, we've got two really large closets here. In the first one there's an umbrella and some hangers here, and then optional there's a QR code on this little hanger too for laundry service, and that is an additional charge. And then we have some bathrobes here that are only for luxury guests. Oh, also to mention too, when you open this right side closet door, there's a big mirror here. And then in this side closet, or this right side closet, you can see some more services or amenities offered here in the room. We've got an ironing board, a really big ironing board. Here's the iron that goes along with that. There's some shelving here to store your clothing and belongings while you're staying. There's pool towels here. So this is the way you acquire your pool towels. They're actually just left here in the room for you. And then here we have an in-room safe to store your valuables here during your stay. And then some slippers here offered by Bahia Principe for luxury guests, and they got the Bahia Principe sign on them. All right, then from the bedroom area, we're going to turn over to the left and enter into the bathroom here. So inside the bathroom, we've got a single sink. We've got some shampoos, conditioners, shower gels, and lotion offered by the hotel here. And then we've got some glasses. There's a big mirror here and also a small vanity mirror. And then just beside that we have a hair dryer with some additional plugs here for anything you need to plug in to help get you ready. Just below that we have some small shelves for storage here and hand towels, but additional storage underneath, but no shelf though. So just beside that we have the toilet, and then here we got a stand-up shower. So very big glass shower here, and there's no rainfall shower, but they do have the handle shower here. And as I mentioned before, you can order aromatherapy service for in your shower, so you can reach out to butler services for those amenities. That's a pretty cool addition that they offer here at the hotel. All right, so coming out of the bathroom here, we're gonna pan over to the left, and now we're gonna head up the stairs here into the penthouse area, or the upper level terrace, up these stairs here. So here's another shot at the entire room here. Carrying on up the stairs here, just to let you know, the upper level is all outdoor, but it is very beautiful. So we'll go outside here and take a look. Going outside here, oh wow, it's really bright out today and very, very warm. So as you can see, we've got a beautiful terrace here, a nice jacuzzi tub, some sun loungers here too. There isn't much shade up here though. There's only these like large logs that provide almost like a little pergola. So you do want to make sure you get lots of sunscreen on if you're hanging out up here. But I will also highlight too the sweeping views of the garden here and the jungle area. And then you can see some other villas here too, but there is some privacy. Over this way, you can get a good view of the jungle area and some other villas here, and you can really see how Cancun is part of the jungle here. You can just see some villas peeking out over the trees. Very lush here. So we'll get a closer look at some of these things offered here on the terrace, starting with this small table with some chairs here, so you can have some in-room dining up here on the terrace. And then just over here, we've got steps that walk up onto your personal jacuzzi. So that's really awesome. This is an addition for luxury penthouse guests, and there is one more room category that has jacuzzis as well, but they're on the garden level or the first floor. So you can also have your jacuzzi prepared by butler services. So you just have to call and they will set up your jacuzzi to your liking, and when you're back in your room, your jacuzzi's ready for you. And then as I pointed out before, there's some loungers here to do some sun tanning or just relaxing here on the terrace. So I will point out the different room categories. So I think I can do it better if I show you from here and looking at the other villa here. So on the ground level, there is junior superior suites. They have garden level jacuzzi, so you just walk through here, and then in the jungle here, you probably can't see it, but there are some more jacuzzis through the gardens here for those lower levels. On the middle level here is just the regular junior suite, which doesn't have any jacuzzi, but they do have small balconies, as you can see. And then on the upper level, we have the junior suite superior penthouses. So they have this level here, and then the walk up to the penthouse area just here, as you can see. One more category of room I forgot to mention, I think they're on the middle floor as well, would be the Junior Suite Superior without jacuzzi, and depending on where it's located on the second floor, that'll be a little bit larger of a room compared to the Junior Suite without Superior. So I think I got all that right. It is all on the website too, the descriptions of them, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of a rundown or a little bit of a summary on some of the rooms offered here at Cancun. So we'll finish this tour over here by the jacuzzi because I want to show you one more thing. This room is actually oriented facing towards the east, which you get beautiful sunrises. And if I step up all the way here, like I'm getting into the jacuzzi, you actually have views of the ocean over here. So it's not really like, it's only just like a little sliver, but you can see right over here, ocean views. So I think that's pretty cool. And this would be where the sun would rise too. So you can get some really cool sunset or sunrise pictures and sunrise experiences here on the terrace. So again, that's gonna do it then for our video here, showing you the penthouse level room here at Luxury Cancun, Bahia Principe Luxury Cancun. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this room. Hopefully it answered some questions if you have any. If you have some additional questions, you can leave them down in the comments below. We'll be happy to answer those for you. And if you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.